Duck in the pond, swimming all day. Splish splash feet in a sunny spray. Wiggle your tail, glide left and right. Ripples dance in the golden light. Quack, 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 come along and play. Round the reefs we swoop and sway. Dip your beak and dive away. Duck in the pond loves every day. Dragonfly zip over water blue. Lily pad shine with morning dew. Duckling friends paddle two by two. Follow the leader straight on through. Quack, 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 come along and play. Around the reefs we swoop and sway. Dip your beak and dive away. Duck in the pond loves every day. Dragonfly zip over water blue. Lily pads shine with morning dew. Duckling friends paddle two by two. Follow the leader straight on through. Sing along with kids. 7 little kittens hiding in a shoe. One popped out and said peek-a-boo. 6 little kittens snug as they could be. One climbed out to climb a tree. 5 little kittens cuddled near the toe. One tiptoed off. Where did he go? 4 little kittens whispered with glee. One ran off to chase a bumblebee. 3 little kittens playing hide and seek. One leapt out with a playful squeak. 2 little kittens snug in their bed. One jumped out and turned her head. 1 little kitten, not sure what to do. He yawned and curled up inside the shoe. Sing along with kids. Row, row your dinosaur gently down the stream. In a boat with dino oars, gliding through a dream. Stomp, stomp, splashy feet. Tails go swish and spin. Through the jungle down they go with giant toothy grins. Roar, roar, sing a tune underneath the moon. Riding waves and catching stars. They'll be home real soon. Row, row your dinosaur, laughing all the way. Adventure ends at dino bed. Good night to dino play. Sing along with kids.
As I was going up the hill was dirty. There I met a pretty miss, and she dropped me a curtsy. Little miss, pretty miss, blessings light upon you. If I had half a crown a day, I'd spend it all upon you. Little miss, pretty miss, blessings light upon you. If I had half a crown a day, I'd spend it all upon you.
Sing along with kids. Drip, drop, bit and pap, rain falls down. Panda looks out at the sleepy clay town. He grabs his boots all shiny and red, and pops a hat on his fuzzy head. A splash in a puddle, a twirl in the rain, dancing and skipping down the bamboo lane. Raindrops sparkle like jewels in the sky. Panda giggles as the ducks waddle by. He finds a dry spot under a tree and sips warm tea with honey and glee. The clouds drift off and the sun peeks through. A rainbow shines in every hue. Back home he goes, warm and dry. A panda's rainy day, oh me, oh my. Sing along with kids. Hush now, close your eyes tight. The stars are twinkling, the moon glows bright. The bamboo sways in a lullaby breeze, whispering softly through the sleepy trees. Panda yawns with a cozy sigh, snuggled beneath the velvet sky. A cuddle, a hum, a soft little tune, floating like clouds past the sleepy moon. Drift, little panda, dreamlands near, with honey sweet rivers and skies so clear. Sleep now, all night long, wrapped in love by your sleepy song. Sing along with kids. In the jungle, fresh with dew, Panda played his peekaboo. Behind tall grass and bamboo trees, he giggled softly in the breeze. Panda's peekaboo, come play, hiding, hopping all the way. From leaf to leaf, from tree to tree, peekaboo, you can't catch me. He ducked beneath a mushroom hat, then popped out laughing. Look at that! Birds all chirped, and monkeys too joined in playing peekaboo. Panda's peekaboo, come play, hiding, hopping all the way. From leaf to leaf, from tree to tree, peekaboo, you can't catch me. He found a mirror in a stream and peeked at his own panda dream. A world of smiles, soft and true, all wrapped in joy and peekaboo. Panda's peekaboo, don't end. Let's play again, my furry friend. The jungle sings, the skies are blue. One more round of peekaboo. Sing along with kids. Sunshine beamed and skies were clear, and his birthday day was here. He wore a hat with stars and dots, and set the table full of spots. Panda's birthday party time, filled with laughter, cake and rhyme. Balloons above and games below, let the celebration grow. Fox brought gifts and bear brought cake. Monkey danced for the party shake. They played some tunes and clapped along, then sang a big happy birthday song. Panda's birthday party time, filled with laughter, cake and rhyme. Balloons above and games below, let the celebration grow. They took a ride on the birthday train through jelly hills and candy rain. Every friend gave cheer and cheer. It's Panda's favorite day of year. Panda's birthday